Okay, this is the quick video about missing fonts. I know I explained it to you in the brand name video. It's super simple. Like if you ever have an issue, for anybody else who's watching this video who doesn't know what I'm talking about, and you come up with the warning, this project uses fonts, whatever that font is, go to Google, type in the name of that font. And for everybody else, you can go to Google and type in free fonts. There are so many websites with a bunch of free fonts. You can go through and just find them all. And there it is. There's a download link for you to download it. Save. It'll go to your downloads folder. All you have to do is extract it. I use the RAR, but unzip it. You have to put it in its own folder. So I do this RAR extract. I highlight them, and then I'm going to paste them into the downloads folder. Okay. Now I actually have a whole folder called fonts that I save just in case I wipe Windows and reinstall Windows. I have to reinstall the fonts every time. So go to Windows and you find your fonts folder. Do not open your fonts folder. All you're going to do is highlight your fonts. Okay, all 4 of them, or one at a time. Drag and drop them on the fonts folder. They will install automatically. Bada boom, bada bing, done. That's it. That's how you do it. So now you can go ahead and open up your project, and it won't give you the error message that missing fonts and whatnot, because your fonts exist. Period, point blank. That's easy peasy, beautiful. Cover, girl.
CBC people.
And there you go. So I'm gonna open that project and whatnot, and it's not gonna give me that warning. That's it. So, and for everybody else that wants to like look for fonts and wants to know how to install them, this is playing over again. Just go into Google and type in free fonts, and you can go through and you can find all kinds of free fonts. You can find graffiti fonts, you can find beautiful fonts, you can find cursive fonts, you can find anything you ever want. You can have a whole list of fonts for you to use for your videos, your Photoshop, for here, there, everywhere. Nice shot. Okay, once again, don't forget to follow us here.
Here.
Follow us there. Follow us everywhere.
I cannot
Love
look.
yous.
I cannot look. Ah!
Drive, woman, drive!
Yeah, sorry guys. I cannot look at the camera.
Peace.